Hello, welcome to our channel for doing statistics using R. In this video, we will show how to plot correlograms in R programming. The correlogram, also known as correlation matrix plot or scatterplot matrix, is a graphical representation of the pairwise relationships between a set of variables. So in R programming, usually this set of variables belong to a data frame. So next we will show how to plot correlograms or correlation matrix among the variables of a data frame. And you can use several packages in R to plot such correlation matrix. So these three packages called corrplot or correlation plot and ggstatsplot and lares. So next we will show how to implement these operations in RStudio. So we go to the source files for R statistics and the lecture 9 correlograms. So the first we will show using corrplot library. Then we load this library. So you have to install this package first. Then we use the data frame for empty cars. So in this data frame, there are information about different variables of cars, so mileage per gallon, cylinder, displacement, horsepower, and so on, and weight, q-second. Then you can use COR empty cars first. So COR belongs to basic R installation. So COR of this data frame first, then save as a variable object called corrmatrix. So next we can use corrplot function to plot the information stored in corrmatrix. And we set type is up, so up triangular, and the method is circle, which means the shape for the point, and coefficient, color black, and color for the text label, and also text label string rotation 45 degrees. Just to run. So this plot shows the correlation matrix. We set the upper triangle, so it looks like a triangle. And the label here has 45 degrees. And different color from blue to the dark red. So from the 1 to the -1. So between the variable pairs. So for example, MPG to MPG is 1. So the diagonal, all the diagonal values are 1. Right? The second method is using package called ggstatsplot. You have to install this library first. We also use data frame for empty cars. So from this library, the function called ggcorrmat. So GG correlation matrix empty cars method is Pearson. So you can use other method, of course, like Spearman and Kenzo. But usually for the numeric variable, using Pearson, and the label is true correlation variables. So we can select 6 variables here from this data frame. And the size for point Take 2 seconds. And this matrix also shows different colors from green to yellow, from positive to negative value. So for example, displacement to MPG, negative correlation. And this package has a feature that not only show the correlation value, also show if this correlation is significant. So with a cross symbol, X symbol means non-significant at p-value 0.05. So this for correlation, Q second as available with MPG, with displacement, with DIT, and with weight. This correlation not significant. Then the third library we will use is lares. You have to also install first data frame, empty cars, and first we also could have to use rcor function to create an object to store the correlation. This time we use Spearman type. Then you can use a corrplot for this object method, the square for the shape, and a title column, and a title. So you can see this time the correlation matrix showing a square, and with the diagonal also equals 1 for the blue color to red. You can also download the source files from this GitHub link, and more videos will be uploaded later soon on YouTube. And if you want get individual training for rprogramming or doing statistics using R, you can contact us by finding the email address from this channel's page. Thanks for watching.